Yes, children, let us see how to divide the polynomials, division of polynomials. Now on this topic, here we have to divide a polynomial p of x by g of x and the polynomials are given. So p of x is x cubed minus 3x squared plus 5x minus 3. This is the polynomial of degree 3. Degree of this polynomial is 3, and see, if the degree is 3, the polynomial should contain 4 terms, one more term than the degree. Okay, so degree is 3, the polynomial should contain 4 terms. There are 4 terms in the polynomial: cubic term, square term, then x term, and then the constant. Okay, so all terms are present. This is in the standard form. If the polynomial is not in a standard form, we can write the polynomial in the standard form. We can write the missing term by taking the coefficient as 0. Okay, so if we take the missing term, then it will be easy, the division will be easy. Okay, and the divisor is g of x and it is x square minus 2. This is our divisor, this is dividend. So p of x is dividend, g of x is divisor. We have to divide this polynomial p of x by g of x. See how to divide. So I have written the divisor here, x square minus 2. This is our dividend. Okay, now check the degree of the first term. In this dividend, the degree of the first term is 3, power of the first term is 3, and power of the first term of this divisor is 2. The difference between the powers is 1. This degree is 3, this is 2. The difference between the powers is 1. So we will multiply. First division we will give by x. Whatever the coefficient of x cube, that will write here. The coefficient of x cube is 1. So 1x. X into 1, it is x. X. Now x into x square. Multiply this, x into x square. This will be x cube. Here I am writing the x cube term, x cube. Okay. So below this x cube cubic term, we have to write the cubic term. Okay, the like terms will write together. X into x square is x cube. So x cube term will be here. Now second term here is minus 2. Multiply by this minus 2 also. Minus 2 into x. This will be minus 2x. Minus 2x. Okay, so we have to write this minus 2x below this 5x. Okay, since it is x term, we will write here. Like term should be together. So minus 2x. Here I will write minus 2x. Okay, and now take the subtraction and change the sign. Change the sign of the terms. So this term is positive. Here I will write it will become negative. Then this is a negative term. It will become positive. Okay, so it will be positive term. Now first term x cube and minus x cube, it always gets cancelled. First term always gets cancelled. Okay, write the remaining term. This minus 3x I will carry it as it is, minus 3x square, and 5x plus 2x, we get 7x. Add the terms, we get 7x, and this minus 3 also I am writing here. This is minus 3. Okay, so this minus 3 also I will write as it is, minus 3. Now this is minus 3x square, this term is minus 3x square, and we are dividing by x square term. Now the degrees are same, we have to write the coefficient only. This coefficient is minus 3. Okay, so minus 3. Here I will write minus 3. Minus 3 into x square is minus 3x square. Multiply this dividend by minus 3. Minus 3 into x square, minus 3x square, same term, like term should be together. Minus 3 into minus 2, it becomes 6 plus 6. So here below the constant I will write plus 6. Okay, understood? Then again change the sign. This will become positive. This positive will consider. This will become negative. Okay, now minus 3x square plus 3x square will get cancelled. We can cancel this minus 3x square plus 3x square, and minus 3 minus 6, it becomes minus 9. Okay, and now I have to write this denominator. this is 7x as it is here down. So write this 7x because we did not get the term x term here, so it will remain as it is. Now the difference between the degrees, this is 2 and this degree is 1. This degree of this remaining portion is less than the degree of the divisor. Now we cannot divide further. We have to stop this division. Once the degree of this remaining term is less than the degree of the divisor, we have to stop the division, and whatever the term left over will be the remainder. Okay, so this is the remainder, this is remainder, then x minus 3 is the quotient and x square minus 2 is divisor. This is our divisor and this is the dividend. Now the same rule the polynomials also follow. The dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So we can write dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is the relation between dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder, and you substitute the values here. Okay, so in this way we can find the division of the polynomial. Okay, this is the concept of division. Now this is another example of division of polynomials. Here the polynomial p of x, the dividend is x to the power 4 minus 3x squared plus 4x plus 5, and the divisor g of x is x squared plus 1 minus x. Now see, this degree of this polynomial is 4, so it must contain 5 terms, but there are 4 terms only. Okay, the missing term is cubic term. Cubic term is missing, so we can write this p of x in standard form by taking the coefficient of the missing term as 0. So x to the power 4 plus 0x cube, I have written here 0x cube. So degree is this 4, highest power, this is 4, and after that the cubic power with 0 as a coefficient. Okay, minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Now 5 terms. Okay, so it is in a standard form. P of x is in the standard form. G of x, that is also I have written in descending order of the degrees, x square minus x plus 1. So this is our divisor, g of x, and p of x is the dividend. See the division, x square minus x plus 1, and we have to divide the polynomial x to the power 4 plus 0x cube minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Okay, now see the difference between the degrees. This is x to the power 4 and this is x square term. Okay, so difference between the degrees is 2. Therefore, we will multiply by x square term. Okay, so x square term we are going to multiply by x square, and coefficient of this x to the power 4 is 1. So 1x square. So 1 into x square, first division will be of x square. Now x square, I have written x square here, x square, and multiply this all the terms of this divisor by x square. X square into x square becomes x to the power 4. First term always we should get this same term here, x to the power 4. Then x square into minus x. Multiply the terms. While multiplication, add the degrees, add the powers. Minus x into x square will be x cube. So we'll write this x cube and it will be negative. So I will write this minus x cube below this 0x cube. So minus x cube here I have written. And then x square into 1. X square into 1, this will be x square term. X square term. Okay, now we have to take the subtraction, means change the sign of all term. First term is positive, it will become negative. Second is negative, it will become positive, and the positive term again it will be negative. Okay, first term always get cancelled. So x to the power 4 minus x to the power 4 will get cancelled. Then 0x cube plus x cube is x cube. Here I have written x cube, and minus 3x square minus x square becomes minus 4x square. Minus 4x square. Okay, Now take this, write this term 4x as it is. We'll take this 4x term down. So x cube minus 4x square plus 4x. Okay, now we have to consider these terms. This is cubic term, degree is 3. We are dividing by x square term. Okay, difference between the degrees. This is 3, this is 2. Difference between the degrees is 1. So we will multiply now by x. Coefficient is 1, so 1x. X into x square is x cube. So first term we should get same. X into x square, x cube term. So this is x cube, then x into minus x becomes minus x square. So below this x square term I have written this minus x square, and then minus 3 into 1. Okay, so x into 1, this becomes x. Okay, so x into 1 is x. Again change the sign, take the subtraction, change the sign, this will become minus, this will become plus, and again minus term. Okay, so x cube minus x cube will get cancelled. Minus 4x square and plus x square. Minus 4 plus 1 becomes minus 3. So minus 3x square. Take the subtraction, minus 3x square plus 4x minus x becomes 3x. And then take this 5. Here it is 5 as it is. Here I have written this 5 as it is. Okay, 5. Then these terms are now minus 3x square plus 3x plus 5. Okay, now again our dividend degree is, highest degree is 3, so the degree is 3, 2, and then this term is also 2. Okay, so degree is same, just write the coefficient. This coefficient is minus 3, so now we'll multiply by minus 3. So here I have written minus 3 into x square. Minus 3 into x square is minus 3x square. Minus 3x square. Minus 3 into this minus x. Minus 3 into minus x. It becomes plus 3x. And minus 3 into 1 becomes minus 3. Again we have to change the sign. This will become plus, then minus, and this will be plus. Okay, so minus 3x square plus 3x square will get cancelled. Minus 3x minus plus 3x minus 3x will get cancelled, and this 5 plus 3 is 8. So our remainder is 8. Okay, understood? This is the remainder. Again check the degree. Remainder, degree of this remainder, this is constant term, so its degree is 0. There is no x, degree is 0, and degree of the divisor is 2. So degree of the remainder is less than degree of the divisor, therefore we cannot divide further. We get whatever the term left over is the remainder. So this is the remainder. Divisor is x square minus x plus 1. Quotient x square plus x minus 3. Okay, and then write the division algorithm. Dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Substitute all these values. So in this way we can divide the two polynomials.